All right, we are live. Let's come back here. Okay, how URL is structured. All right, how URL is structured or formed and thumb rules of using in URL. All right. So how URL is structured or formed. Before that, what is URL? So what is URL?
It is an address to certain.
It is a web address. Exactly. Rest others, what is URL?
Yeah, it is
Web
web
address.
address to reach us to the place.
Web address.
It's a web
In
address,
The
right?
website, which is related to
It's a web address.
anything.
It's a website. It's a web address. Some people says, tell me your website, tell me your LinkedIn profile link or anything. It's a web address, basically. It's your virtual or it's your web address. All right. Uh, so where are you staying, guys?
we are staying in a house.
Okay.
And
Anyone want to share your address completely?
Yeah. State Medipatnam. Yeah, sure.
No, everything, not just the area. Let's suppose I want to send a cake to you now, or if I want to send a biryani to your home,
Mm-hmm.
how do I enter your address?
Okay.
19th Main, Padmanabhanagar, Bangalore, 70.
Tell me your address. Okay. House number. Start with house number.
House
38.
numbers.
Okay, Sushil, you can go ahead, please. House
So house
number.
number 7.
House number 7. Okay.
Then the community address, the community name will Cabin Meadows.
Kavin Kevin Meadows.
Then
Okay.
comes the a locality, that is Katriguppe.
Patriguppe. Again.
And then comes the road, that is Nerige Road.
Okay.
And then comes the Taluk, Anekal Taluk.
Okay.
Then comes the city name, Bangalore. And
Okay.
then the state name,
Huh?
Karnataka. And then pin code, Karnataka. And then pin code 562125.
Okay. Let's say I want to send it from US. Then.
And then India. India. It'll all come India. The country name and
Okay.
then the
Let's say I
pin
want
code.
to send it from Mars.
Then Earth.
Okay. Beyond that, I can't reach. Or I don't
Milky Way
even know
galaxy.
if I can send it from the other universe. All right. So now
Yeah.
connect this. Let's say you are staying on Earth. Okay. You're staying on Earth, Sushil.
Yes, Shiv. Yeah.
Where in Earth?
Uh, Asia continent.
You're staying in Asia. All right. Where in Asia?
India.
India. Where in India?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. Where in Karnataka?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. Where in Bangalore?
Anekal.
Anekal.
Then
Where
comes
in Anekal?
Katriguppe. Katriguppe.
Katriguppe.
Then comes Cabin Meadows. Cabin Meadows. Then comes house number 7.
Then comes
House number 7.
house number 7. All right.
Yep.
Now I want any one person from house number 7 to attend a meeting. What do I need to use?
Name.
Name.
Or this
Or
house number 7 has a bracket. In that house number 7, there are X number of people, right?
yes.
Or X number of things or X number of people or whatsoever. But
Correct.
this house number 7 is surrounded by 4 walls.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that is nothing but the bracket. Or now,
Or
when it
okay.
comes to the
Okay.
URL formation,
Okay.
when it
Understood.
comes to
Yeah.
the URL formation now, okay, this is your desktop address. Now this is okay. Now this is the okay, which is in the C folder under user shift C folder users shift K backslash desktop backslash earth Asia India Karnataka Bangalore Anekal Katriguppe Kevin space Meadows. All right. So this is our desktop address what we have formed. So Sushil, tell me, is there any okay, so your house number 7 is connected to something?
It's connected to Cabin Meadows.
It's connected to Kevin Meadows. Is Kevin Meadows connected to something?
Yeah, it's connected to that Katriguppe place.
It's
It's in the
connected to
Katriguppe place.
Katriguppe. Is Katriguppe connected to something?
Yeah, it's the Katriguppe itself falls on the Nerige Road.
Is Narige Road connected to something?
Yeah, it comes under Anekal Taluk,
Is Anekal
which
connected
comes
to something?
Bangalore, which is a part of Bangalore.
Is Bangalore connected to something?
Yeah, that's the capital of Karnataka.
Is Karnataka connected to something?
That's the state in India.
Is India connected to something?
Yeah, actually, India is in Asia, and Asia is in the is on the Earth. India, Asia, then Earth.
Okay. Is Asia connected to something?
Yeah, it's one of the continent on Earth.
Right. Now, if I say, is Earth connected to something?
Yeah, it's a part of the universe, or it's a part, or it's a planet. It's one of
It's
those
a
planets.
planet. It's a planet. It's a part of universe. But there is a space between planets, right?
Yeah,
So much of space is there in the between planets,
correct.
right?
Right,
Okay.
right.
But till Earth, there is no space, right?
No, correct.
The same thing goes with the URL. Take any URL which do not have means any URL. Take any URL on the whole World Wide Web which is running on Earth. There is no space in the URL. If you see this URL, is there any space here in the URL?
No,
No. No.
No.
If you see this URL, is there any space in this URL?
No.
no,
No, no.
No.
If you see this URL, do you see any space in this URL?
No.
So there is no space there is no URL which exists with space. Similarly, there is no address which exists which has a space. What will happen if there is an address which has a space?
It will be invalid.
Huh?
There will be chances of broken.
What?
It will be broken in between. And the person
No,
will
let's suppose socially a house is in the space. धरती से ऊपर 10 feet. What will happen?
then it will not be found. Or
Okay,
maybe
basically you
yes,
become alien.
correct. Yeah,
All right.
We are not able
Someone
to.
who stays in space is alien.
Hmm.
yeah.
Okay. So similarly, whenever the URL is getting formed, there is no space. Okay. Now this URL. Okay. Now this is a desktop address. Now when we convert, this desktop address to web address, it should be something like https:// that is a protocol, basically a security protocol in the web, but we don't really have to learn that. That would be something like www.earth.com/. Okay, here earth. So whatever the backward slash was there, okay, this everything. See user Shivk desktop will become www dot. This all will become www dot.
Earth dot.
All right. Then this earth.com/. This backward slash will become /ASIA Asia /INDIA India /KARNAKATA Karnataka /Bangalore / whatever the backslash is there, that becomes / Anekal /Katriguppe /Kevin. Okay. Now here there is a space. Now this space will become either hyphen or %20 or underscore. In most cases, this space will become hyphen Meadows. This is how the physical address over here got converted to the desktop address over here, got converted to the web address over here. So whatever the backward slash was there has become /, and whatever the space was there has become hyphen. And whatever C user shift K desktop was there has become www dot, the hosting site, whichever the hosting site is there, that has become. So www.earth.com/Asia / that is folder under the folder. Like we open this folder. Let me just go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay, so this was a folder. Consider my laptop is a universe. In that, there's one planet called Earth. In that, there is one continent called Asia. In that, there is one country called India. In that, there is one state called Karnataka. In that, there's one city called Bangalore. In that, there's one location called Anekal. In that, there's another location called Katriguppe. In that, there is a layout called Kevin Meadows. In that, there's a house number 7. And that's my desktop address. And I just copy this entire desktop address. I just come here. This is how my desktop address looks like. But now, when the desktop address, when I'm hosting this, okay, let's suppose this folder itself I'm hosting to the World Wide Web. All right, let's take this part. Okay, when I collected all this and when I hosted this to the World Wide Web, okay, so whatever was there, it has become https shipmar400.github.io new profile. This was actually on my desktop, but when I hosted it using github.io to the World Wide Web, it has become shipmar400.github.io, which is my account, GitHub account. And then this folder was on my desktop, which has become new-profile. So similarly, any URL is getting formed. Basically, the folder which would go from GitHub or which would go for any hosting site to the World Wide Web. So whatever the backward slash was there on the folder has become forward slash when it went to the World Wide Web. And wherever there was a space, it has got converted to hyphen. Clear?
Yeah.
And the way there is no space in your entire address, similarly, there should not be any space in the entire web address as well. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts, any questions?
Creating the GitHub will be we cover
So
later.
web address will never have any sort of space in any situation.
What?
There is no chances of space in web addresses in any
There is
situation.
no chances of space in the URL addresses, in the web addresses. Okay, if there is a space, then the URL is broken. Okay, let's say I just go here and I just give one space and I copy this. Okay, and I open it. Okay, so let's give one space here like this. Okay, the URL is broken.
Continuation is important.
Okay, again I just give let enter. URL is broken. Now same again I copy. Let me just refresh. I just paste it here. The URL is, I don't know. Let me just copy. Okay, this is not shareable. Let me just copy this. Okay, copy a responder link. I'll copy it and I'll come here and I'll paste it. Okay, I'm getting it. But the moment I give space, the URL is broken. So this is the reason whenever we use in URL, there should not be any space between the operator in URL and a keyword. Clear?
Hi, Shiv.
Yeah.
Shiv, so in Kevin Meadow, so instead of giving hyphen, so can we put it as a one keyword? I mean, is it possible, or why we are giving a hyphen between Kevin and Meadow?
So when this gets into the URL part, so here is a Kevin space Meadows.
Yes.
As there is no URL which has a space, it get replaced. That space will get replaced as a hyphen.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Clear, team?
Shiv,
Yeah,
if I,
Shiv.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Yeah, Swati.
No. Got the clarity, Shiv. Thank you. Nice explanation. Yeah.
Any doubts? Any questions? So this is why
Yes.
whenever we use in URL, there should not be any space.
The Git part which
Clear?
you mentioned is
Huh?
just for the reference, right?
What?
You just
Data created. Sulabh, I can't hear you.
You
There's
basically what he's trying to say, you created an URL on GitHub. So that was just for the sake of
reference.
explaining.
Yes. How the URLs are structured or formed. So every single, when we our desktop link to World Wide Web. Okay. World Wide Web. Every single forward backward slash. Where is backward slash? No, backward slash will be converted to forward slash, and space will be converted to hyphen or %20. In most cases, it is a hyphen. Clear?
Shiv, I
Yes,
have
no? Yes, please.
Shiv, I have one query. Now, when you created the web link, you chose Earth from the entire link that you have created for the from the desktop, right? So, is it safe to understand that any logical keyword can be used?
It could be anything.
Yeah.
Like your
Okay.
LinkedIn profile. Take your LinkedIn profile itself.
Okay. No, because I wanted to understand, because you said that before Earth everything will be in the www dot, right? So I just wanted
Any
to check.
website is World Wide Web.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay. Even in LinkedIn, if I just go and if I want to edit my LinkedIn profile URL, I just go here. I'll say edit. It will only allow me to edit this part.
Acha, okay. No, I
This
was
www.linkedin.com/, it's still a constant.
I was trying to ask you, when you create anything to be hosted on the web, so you use the word Earth, right? For the connection, I mean, to add it to the
Earth
web.
is Earth here. I'm referring to one of the website.
Acha. Okay, all right.
Like here,
Okay,
linkedin.com, github.com, xyz.com. It could refer to any website.
okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay. Now I just go and I'll say save. Now this space, whatever the space is there, let's see what happens. It's not taking. Your custom URL cannot contain white space.
Yeah.
Try a different URL. Why it is not taking?
Because it will with the space it will not take it.
Exactly. Let's take one more example. Now it took. Thumb rule, there should not be a space. Thumb rule as there is no URL which exists with
Space.
space. We should not be using in URL
Space.
with space. Hence, whenever we use in URL, hence whenever we use in URL, there should not be any space because there is no URL which exists which has a space. If it is a space, then it's a broken URL. Clear?
Yes, clear.
In URL.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Is this right? In URL software space engineer. Is this right?
Yeah, this
No.
is right because the keyword software engineer is taking as a one word, na? Because we are putting in double quote.
इधर ही गलत हो.
No, for the website it will not. It will be incorrect.
Between software engineer, there should be a hyphen also.
Exactly. Okay. Is this right? No, it's not right. Because in URL, there should not be any space, not just between the keyword and the operator, but also within the keywords. Because whenever we use in URL, there should not be any space. There should not be any space, not only between the operator
And keyword, and also in the keyword as well.
in URL and keyword, but also
In the keyword also.
there should not be any space between keywords.
Because of thumb rule.
In this example, we see between software and engineer. Hence, it is incorrect. The correct one should be in URL software hyphen engineer. Clear?
Yes, sure.
Yes,
But
no?
in case we don't have to give it, then we can just
What?
combine it in double quote.
What?
Can we
What,
use
Sulabh?
double quote? He's asking.
Can we use only double quote and combine software engineer together rather than giving the hyphen just to give
No
it
need
to
of
you?
double quote. If you're combining software engineer together, there is no space. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Like if you're using like this, though it will give you the result, but the results of software hyphen engineer. Let's take this part and searching. All right. So this is sponsored. Let's ignore sponsor. Here, software hyphen engineer. Software hyphen engineer. Okay. Here I'm seeing the space, but when I open the link, this is software hyphen engineer.
Google is also
Can there
converting
be a
it into
space when
the.
I'm using in title? Can there be a space when I'm using in title?
Yes, yes.
Yes, no?
No, for the URL, yeah,
I
title it.
think
Yeah, there
yes.
is a space.
The rule
Yes,
is for
Shiv.
in URL, but in title. The title is like your name board. Can your name board have a space?
Yes.
Sushil
Yes.
Kumar,
Yeah, we
huh?
generally have that space in between.
Yes or no? Your
Yes.
name
I
board,
think yes.
Yes, yes. The title.
can it have a space?
Yes, it can.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes. I think yes,
Yes.
Shiv. Yeah.
Kevin space Meadows. Is there a space? Team, I'm asking you,
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
Shiv.
Shiv.
is a space. Yeah.
your name board, can it have a space?
Yes,
Yes.
Can.
Yeah.
yes, it has
Yes.
space.
In title
Yes.
can have a space. In title, software space engineer can have a space. But in URL, software space engineer cannot have a space
Okay.
because there is no URL which exists which has a space. Can in title have a space? In title, software. Okay. Yes, it can. But there should not be any space between operator in title and keyword. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Can there be a space between in text and keyword? Between
No.
the operator in text and keyword?
No,
No.
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 No. All right. So similarly, in title also, there should not be any space between operator and a keyword. Can there be a space between the keyword like software space engineer while using in title? Yes, there can
Yes.
be. But it's not the same with in URL. In URL means there is no space which exists, which has, there is no URL which exists, which has a space like this. Hence, while using in URL, I'll have to make sure that there is no space, or if there is any certain thing which has a space like software space engineer, I'll be using software hyphen engineer. Even though here we are searching for in URL software engineer, two types of results. One is a desired result, other is a assumption result. Here it is assuming that I'm searching for software hyphen engineer. But is it really searching for software hyphen engineer? If you see this in URL, search
No.
query in URL, software plus engineer. If I give software hyphen engineer, okay, here it is searching for software plus engineer. Now I'll give software hyphen engineer. Now it is searching for software hyphen engineer as it is.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, Shiv.
In URL, Coconut space water space what else? Cool. Let's see if there is any URL exist. See, there is no URL which exists. Okay. Let's see. Coconut. Okay. Free pick. Something is there. Coconut hyphen water hyphen cool hyphen down. Okay. So we search for coconut hyphen water hyphen cool. Let's take this one. Coconut hyphen water hyphen cool. Limited result because search itself is something strange, but that's fine. Let's ask me to verify. But coconut. No, 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 no. Okay. So coconut hyphen water hyphen cool. Coconut hyphen water hyphen cool. Coconut hyphen water. No. Coconut hyphen water. This is false positive. Okay. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sure.
Understanding people also search for view more source suggestion, identifying organic and inorganic search result on Google, understanding basic Boolean operator and or not double quotation bracket on Google we have completed. Building a Boolean search when we use a combination of Boolean operator and a keyword, it becomes a Boolean search. We have been giving a multiple searches. Understanding some advanced operator and their benefits like in URL, in title, in text. Anatomy of URL, how URLs are structured or constructed. In URL versus site. All right, difference between in URL versus site. We'll come back at 3 o'clock and we'll quickly go over in URL versus site. Okay, we'll first cover the operator site. What does an operator site do? After that, we'll see what is the difference between in URL and the operator site. And then we'll go over the sourcing test level 1, which is having minimum of 100% passing score. By next Saturday, you have a time to submit the answers and get 100% score and become level 1 certified recruiter. All right.
Yes.
How many attempts we can do
Okay.
for this test?
You can do as many attempts as possible, 3 to 5 very important class to understand the operator site and then the difference between the operator site and the operator in URL. Though both are doing the same job, but what is the core difference? That will come back at 3 o'clock and we'll cover that. After that, we'll go towards level 1 assessment, which is having minimum of 100% passing score. All right, team?
Okay.
Excited?
Yes.
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 Super excited?
Yes.
Yes,
sure.
super excited.
Okay, I'm not gonna show you the question paper now, but trust me, नींद उड़ने वाली है. All
हाँ.
right. Chalo then, take care. Let's come back at 3 o'clock.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chalo, bye.
Bye. Thank you.